Welcome back to the Step Next training channel, and this is Futurist Corner, and today we're going to talk about Amazon Go. Is Amazon going to take over the grocery industry? Is Amazon going to replace all cashiers within the United States? Let's talk about that. Welcome back to Step Next Training, and I'm Kevin Kunkel. And today we're talking about Amazon Go. Amazon Go is a new store that Amazon just released in downtown Seattle. And what it is a grocery store, cafe, that does not have any cashiers in it. You walk in, it has a bunch of cameras and sensors. They're monitoring what you're picking up and what you're putting down and what you're doing in the store. And then from there, in the app in your phone, it downloads your shopping receipt when you walk out of the store. So what is the real trick, or what's the real technology here? Well, it's just cameras, face recognition, and product recognition. And it's just monitoring in big data style all of the transactions of you picking up something and putting it into your cart. Now that is a hugely complicated algorithm that has to be generated, that has face recognition, product recognition, and all that. But once it's developed, once that initial cost is developed in order to get that AI that recognizes people within the store, then there's no cost of having the store itself. The cashiers are not an expense anymore for scanning the items across the scanner. This is a disruption like no other that we've seen within grocery stores and retail industries. It is going to change the world. The question is not whether it will change the world, the question is when. That's the only question. Think about, if you don't have to pay cashiers, you can have a convenience store open 24/7 and just have it open to the public and let people come in and out and allow them to grab batteries and diapers at 3 a.m. in the morning because they have a crying baby that needs a music machine and a diaper. So there's no cashiers in the store at all. So what does this mean to cashiers in other stores and retail all around the United States? What it means is that there's a ticking time bomb associated with retail jobs. So the only question is when. It's not a question of whether or not this is going to happen. It's a question of when. So if this is the first store in Seattle, home of Amazon, are they going to start utilizing the technology that they have in that store and start applying and putting Amazon Go into various cities around the United States? I guarantee that Amazon has already got a business plan that allows them to open up Amazon Go locations all over the United States. It's already in the plan. The only question is, how fast can they push it out? So if this is the first store, they've spent already a year of R&D in the store itself, and now they're releasing to the public. Now that it's in the public hands, they'll probably wait a year or two and test bed it, or they might open up another test store in another location, maybe New York City or another large city in the US. And then from there, they'll start propagating all around the world. So my estimation is you'll probably see an Amazon Go store in every major city in the next 5 years. In the next 10 years, you'll see an Amazon Go location in probably most cities. So I'm a futurist, and I would love to go to one of these Amazon Go stores and really check it out. But I do step back and I start realizing the quantity of jobs that we're going to outplace utilizing robots and AI technologies. I'm going to start doing a web series that's devoted to exactly that, talking about how many jobs are we going to lose based on these new technologies, and how is society going to change because of the job loss and the unemployment rate is going to rise. So one of the questions is whether or not Amazon Go is going to take these technologies and replace cashiers in all retail. So the answer is yes. Because Amazon is lowering the bar, places like Walmart and Target are going to have to adapt they're going to have to grab these disrupting technologies, pull them into their stores as well so that they can survive. Otherwise, their profit margins are going to decline and decline over time, and they're going to be left in dust just like any other retail store. So the other question is Amazon Go going to force close other businesses? The answer is yes again. Places like Sears, Kmart, JCPenney's, there was more than 5,000 stores closed in 2017. It's because of the shift to online stores like Amazon. Now, this is yet going to even disrupt them even more because they're going to have a store next door to them that's open 24/7. It has no overhead cost for cashiers versus their store that is not that. So this is going to allow Amazon to take another blow against all the brick and mortar stores. So what do I do if I'm a retailer? Well, the answer is you got to start looking at different business models. Start looking at 3D printing. Start designing your products that allow you to be printed at home. I'm going to do another video on 3D printing and how it's going to disrupt Amazon. Thanks everybody for watching, and if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, and I'll leave you with this. Be you, make, share, and repeat. Thanks everybody for watching. Bye-bye.